Are you still wasting time manually editing text throughout your InDesign documents? What if you could replace words, update formatting, apply styles, and even clean up an entire document in just a few clicks? In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about Adobe InDesign's powerful Find Change feature and how it can save you hours of repetitive work. Let's see what it can do step by step. Step 1. Opening the Find Change panel. First, go to the Edit menu and select Find Change. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac. The Find Change panel will open, giving you access to several powerful search options. Step 2. Finding and replacing text. The first tab is Text. Here, type the word or phrase you want to find in the Find What field. Then enter the replacement text in the Change To field. Click Find Next to review each occurrence individually, or click Change All to update every occurrence throughout the document instantly. Step 3. Finding and replacing formatting. Next, you can search for specific formatting. Click the formatting options at the bottom of the Find Change window. For example, you can find all text that is bold, a certain font, or a specific size. Then specify the new formatting you want to apply and click Change All. This is extremely useful when updating document styles. Step 4. Applying paragraph styles automatically. Find Change can also apply paragraph styles. Enter the text pattern you want to find. Then, in the Change Format options, choose the paragraph style you want to apply. When you run the command, InDesign automatically formats all matching text with the selected style. This is perfect for headings, chapter titles, and section names. Step 5. Applying character styles. In the same way, you can apply character styles automatically. Select the character style from the Change Format options. This is useful for formatting keywords, website links, email addresses, product names, or highlighted text consistently throughout the document. Step 6. Using GREP. Cleaning up document formatting. Find Change is also great for document cleanup. You can search for double spaces, extra tabs, or multiple paragraph returns and replace them with proper formatting. This helps create a cleaner and more professional document layout. And that's a complete overview of the Find Change feature in Adobe InDesign. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Adobe InDesign tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.